and the clover's just in bloom. A cheerful bird song woke me up and chased me right out of my room. Sunshine beams through the leaves and branches, and the pines stand tall and proud. Dandelions dazzle and the nectar flows, and tiny forest critters shout out loud. The grass is green, the sky is blue, the brook is found with friends, and so are you. We'll seize that day for endless play, picnic and party, that's our woodland way. Danger lurks, but we'll be fine. I've got your back, I'm lucky you got mine. Honeycomb and apple tree, there'll be plenty here for you and you and you and me.
Really beautiful! Awesome!
All right, it's your turn now. Look alive. Back straight. Throw that rubbish away and hurry. Now, I want you to understand something about singing. It's a very serious business. Now, positions? Begin! No, please, stop! Good heavens! That's perfectly awful. Let's try again.
Interesting!
Now let's try that again. What is that infernal racket? Show yourself! Come out!
You stupid piece of junk! That's got it. What? No way! Again? That's the last one.
Look at that. It's Vick again.
All right.
So that horrid fellow is the culprit. Well, I'll sort him out.
Hummingbird? Shoo-shoo, go away! I'll chop you into fried chicken!
Hey, what's the matter? You being chased by a ferocious bird?
Get off! Okay, down! Aw, man! What happened? Birdie! Hey! Stop on my head!
That was beautiful!
He dares to disrupt my class. Brute.
That was cool! I wish I could fly around like a jet fighter just like you! You're the coolest bird ever!
Right, let's get back to it then.
Okay.
Heck on my head, will ya? We'll see about that!
You cur! Unhand me this instant!
Oh no, the bird's in trouble. Miss Bird!
Huh?
Put down the bird, you scrawny little wannabe Elmer Fudd.
Ah!
back here, you little whip.
Stinking Vick!
I have half a mind to call fish and game.
We'll get you!
Let's get the bird quick.
Stinking bears, keep running till your legs fall off. Huh. As for you... Okay, Birdie. How about a haircut? Okay, who do you think you are? You're
A bear! Give her back!
all right, you can have her.
Miss Bird, I'll have you out in a jiffy. Just try and stand back. No!
Bramble, wait! Look, Briar, that chainsaw is very dangerous. You have to use something else.
Okay. Miss Bird! Miss Bird! Don't you worry, Miss Bird. You're safe. I'll take good care of you.
I'll get you two for this. Don't let me see you two again, or I'll make fur coats out of you guys. Huh.
Stop! Now, gentlemen, I know you can do better than that. No, Bramble, you're not even trying.
Sorry, Miss Bird. Sometimes my stomach, it sings louder than my voice can.
Now stop thinking of food and focus. Now once more.
Now's not time. Focus, bro.
Oh.
Right, so it should sound like this. That's it! We're going to have to do something about that infernal wretch! And I know just the thing for that young scoundrel.
Wow! What a magnificent tree you are! Time to die!
Stinking Vick! Prepare for a world of pain! Huh?
Shh. Come on now. We can't just charge. We need to come up with a clever plan. Look, we can easily catch him off guard. We go that... Where's she at?
I won't take this! Prepare to defend! What is the meaning of this? I'm going to thrash him!
Do you remember what happened last time? When Vic locked you in his cage? So just leave it to us, okay?
Well, all right.
What do you have on your mind?
Watch a pro at work.
Don't tell me! Ah!
Ooh.
What do you want from me? Oh? For For me?
Here.
Oh! Is this some kind of peace offering or what?
Right.
Thank ya.
Oh, that's right. It's called a beehive.
Stupid bears! Take this thing off me! Brown, black, polar panda! I hate
Too wonderful! And now we have no stray sounds to get in our way. Let us practice!
Oh!